Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Hisense model and its operating system because the method differs by OS. Once done, enable unknown sources in settings if you will sideload APKs. This allows installations outside the built-in store. Make sure you have a FAT32 USB drive and a phone or PC ready to download required APK files. You'll need to transfer files to the USB or use your network. Do these steps now so the installation process can proceed without delays. You next obtain the Play Store APK plus Play services and the Google Services framework that match your TV's architecture and Android version. This prevents crashes. Once downloaded, check each APK's signature and pick the latest compatible builds. Then connect the USB to the TV or use a file manager app to find the files. Install the framework first, then Play Services, then Play Store. Make sure to grant install permissions when prompted so each package can register its components correctly. You finish by launching the Google Play Store, signing in with your Google account, and allowing any updates. If the store crashes, reboot the TV and then clear cache and data for Play Store and Google Play Services in Settings apps. This often resolves registration errors. Make sure your TV OS remains compatible. If installs are blocked or apps fail, consider alternative stores or casting from a phone. If nothing works, revert changes and restore factory settings only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.